Hello, Danny Z here, and we are back with another video on my model trains, and we are here with my friend John today.
Hello everybody. Today to start off the video, we will be just showing you how the trains perform and what they are pulling with their loads. I hope you enjoy. Let's get going.
Now, if you have noticed yet, we have changed up the film set a bit. We've just tidied it up. And also, as I said last video, I said we were going to show the J50. And here it is, running beautifully, as it always does. So that concludes this episode of My Model Trains. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.